and you may be forced to walk to work next week if a 7-day strike notice issued by players in the transport industry comes to pass. Transport service providers are urging the government to rescind its decision to effect the road maintenance levy, which has gone up by 7 shillings. Motorist Association of Kenya, Peter Murima, say the disbandment of the Energy Petroleum Regulatory Authority, among other structural reforms, will usher transparency and accountability in the sector.
We, the undersigned, reject the illegal increase of the road maintenance levy.
And now that is costing us every day 7 shillings on top of our fuel costs. If you multiply that with the daily consumption that we do of 20 million liters of diesel and petrol, you find that every day we are paying illegal cess or illegal levy of Kenya shillings 140 million.
We give the government 7 days to rescind the increase of phase industrial action.